In this video, I'll show you how to spoof in Pokemon Go, and with this spoofing hack for iOS devices, you'll be able to do all the spoofing features like teleport, joystick, and if you have an iPhone or an iPad, this is the video for you, and let's get into it. So now let me show you how to get this spoofer, and these are the steps that you need to do. This will work again on any iOS device, that means iPhones and iPads. For this video I'll be using my iPhone to show you the steps, but the steps are exactly the same as on iPad. There's only one extra step for iPhone users, which I'll show you now. Go into your settings if you have an iPhone and scroll down till you find the home screen group of settings. Click on it and make sure that show an app library is enabled. So this toggle right here, if you find it grayed out, turn on show an app library and you'll be good to go. So now to download this spoofing app, this is what you need to do. Open your browser and go to this website right here. It's app library like this. And make sure that you watch the full video. I'll show you the steps that you need to do to get the spoofer. And when the website loads up, in the search bar, just type in spoofer and the Pokemon Go hack will show up in the results. There it is, Pokemon Go Spoofer. Click to download this app, joystick, teleport, and other features. So when you're ready, just click on the app icon and click download and give it a few seconds. It will check if this version of the spoofing app is compatible with your device, and it should be. So just give it a few seconds here. Don't have to do anything in this step, just wait a few seconds. And we almost finished. Now this will be the final step, guys, and what we have to do is we have to complete a simple device verification by completing free offers from the list below. After that, the Pokemon Go hack will start downloading automatically. So now let me show you how to complete this step, and this is the final one, so don't skip it, guys. Will take you like 2 to 3 minutes and I'll do it with you. So you have to complete free offers from this list, and some are quicker, some take a little bit more time, but I'll try to find the quickest ones for myself. So PDF converter says follow the instructions on the next page. So let's see what this one wants me to do. And again, this will work without a computer. You'll just sideload this app on your iOS device. So let me show you. Okay, so now I have to search the App Store. I have to search for PDF scanner and I guess find this app. Yep, I have to find this app and then I have to install it and open it once. Okay, so this is a pretty simple one. I believe I can complete this one in like 20 seconds. So let me quickly do this one, 20 seconds. All I need for this one. So just open the app after finding it. Very simple. As you can see, it's from the App Store. And your offers might be different, but don't worry, as long as you follow the offer instructions, you'll have no problem completing them. So now I'll quickly download this app. Hopefully my Wi-Fi doesn't disappoint me today, but after it's done, I'll open it up. There it is, open it up. And that is one offer completed right here. Now, what I'll do is I'll go complete 2 more offers and I'll just try to fast forward this part. So we'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I just completed my 3rd offer. Now it took me like 2 or 3 more minutes, but after you complete all 3 offers, it's really important that you get back to your browser because that will actually start the download process for the hack for the Pokemon Go. And if the download process doesn't start automatically, don't worry, just click the refresh button and you'll be good to go. So now if I go to my home screen, you can see I have a new app that I didn't have before, Pokemon Go. It looks like a normal app, but when you open it, you'll see that it has the spoofing features that you're looking for. And in just a second, I'll show you how to use them. So keep watching the video, but it's really important. I'll show you how to get the joystick. But first, let me log in real quick because, of course, I just downloaded. Let's go here. Okay, one moment, guys. And while I'm at it, I really appreciate if you could drop a like. That will help. Subscribe if you're feeling generous. As far as I know, this is the best spoofing app for Pokemon Go. If you happen to have an iOS device, nothing beats it. Straight from the browser, no computer for installation. Pretty much, you can't ask for more, really. So this right here will show you the nearby Pokemons. You can also use, let me show you the map. Okay, so as you can see, these are the nearby Pokemon, so you can filter them out if you want by levels and stuff. But you can also go to the map. That will show you nearby Pokemons and where they are exactly. If you want, you can just hold your finger and click auto walk. It will automatically start walking there. Click pause if you want, but I would recommend you going and changing the speed so it's quicker, and now you will walk way faster. And also this works for the joystick, which is not here at the moment, but don't worry, just click in the settings, go all the way down and find joystick dynamic static, enable this right here, and you have a joystick. Now you can use it with the speed we just set a moment ago, and this Pokemon Go hack is the most feature rich. I've seen so many features for you to enable or disable depending on your spoofing needs. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this very simple Pokemon Go spoof video. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you in my next one.